Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to Nails by LJOLUSEsi. So in today's video I'm going to be swatching the Beetles gel polishes that I showed you in a haul that I did recently. So I've got two sets. So I will start off with the Pastel. So these are them. I'm more likely to speed this up because I'm gonna have to do 2 coats, aren't I? Oh, that's lucky. I've got two like natural or white ones that I got from a mystery box that I bought off eBay. I'm not sure you'll remember that. They're just sitting there, so I will probably use them on the, I was going to say on the glittery ones, but that's not a good idea, is it? I don't know. Right, let me pull these out. It will pop you there. Right, let's move these. Let's start off obviously with 127. You see me in a bit. Don't want to zoom too close because you'll see my ugly ass nails. They're in desperate need of doing. I just keep putting them off. So I don't particularly want to be sitting there doing my nails. Anyway, 127. Pretty pink. Right, I've top coated them all. I'll show you all of them together. If I can hold them. Oh, this is a bit of a struggle. You know what? I'll put them on here and then I will zoom down. Because I'm struggling. There. They're pretty. I thought 130, 132, which is these two, were quite similar, but they're not side by side. It's definitely a more mint, and that's darker. But they're very pretty colours. I like them a lot. I like them a lot. Right, I'm going to get myself ready for the next set, so I'll see you in a sec. Okay, so this is it just says pale pink and glitter. This is really, really pretty. I'm excited for this one. So there is a white, 3 pinks, and then 2 pink glitters. So 49 up to 54. There. So let's start with number 49, which is just a white. It's just a white. them all top coated. They're very pretty, aren't they? These two are gorgeous. Very, very pretty. This one's holographic. So is that one actually, but this one's got more chunkier bits in it. They're very pretty. Love them. Let me put the two sets together. Oh, how pretty. I really, really love them. Really, really love them. Anyway, that is it for today's video. Zoom back out if I can. Yeah. That's it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Take care, and you will see me in my next video. Bye bye.